welcome to chapter 19 of our discussion and analysis of Wuthering Heights. So again, as normal, like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, and thank you for watching this video and for the other videos. And we will now continue. So we've got chapter 19. So we've got a letter edged with black, and that's the day of my master's return. Isabella was dead. So she dies wherever she is, in London, probably. And then young Catherine is excited because she's anticipating the return of her real cousin. Because remember that last chapter she met Hareton. And there's this little reference to the Linton hair as well, like the light hair that the Lintons have. Big deal, but I thought I'd highlight it anyway. So we have Linton Heathcliff, who, as I've said before, it's the ultimate trolling in the world, where Isabella names her son after the family name that Heathcliff detests. So Heathcliff's own son is called Linton Heathcliff. It is confusing, but it's actually quite fun, really, when you think about it. And he's a very weak character. He's got that Linton defect, really. He's very weak. He was asleep in a corner, wrapped in a warm fur-lined cloak, as if it had been winter. A pale, delicate, effeminate boy might have been taken for my master's younger brother, so strong was the resemblance. So he's got the Linton look, but he's very weak, almost presented here as if he's a baby. So he's a very weak, silly child. And even here, look, I said it like a baby, and offering him tea in her saucer like a baby. So nice simile there. And then I thought, however will that weakling live at Wuthering Heights? Well, yeah, it's a really good point, isn't it? It's not going to be conducive to his health, particularly as he's such a frail individual. And we have Joseph turns up at Thrushcross Grange asking to bring Linton back to Wuthering Heights. Heathcliff has sent me for his lad, and I won't go back about him, as in like without him. But because he's so ill and weak, he'll have to go back. He'll have to go up to Wuthering Heights to see his father in due course. He's not ready yet, so Joseph isn't happy with that. Heathcliff makes no counter to mother, no ye know the, but he'll have his lad, and I mun take him, so now ye know. You shall not tonight, answered Linton decidedly. That's Edgar Linton. Confusing, I know. Very well, shouted Joseph as he slowed you off. Tomorrow he's come himself, and thrust him out if you dare. So Heathcliff's on his way to collect his son. So anyway, that's chapter 19. Really short chapter, but again, listen to the others, like, comment, subscribe. Leave a comment. Thank you to anyone out there. Someone actually did donate some money as well for a coffee, and I've enjoyed that as well. So thank you very much, and enjoy the next one. Have a good day or night, whatever you're doing. Thank you.